Hello, this is Greenworks. We have bought this Greenworks yesterday at Walmart. There's the sticker online, and we're going to see how it works today. I'm going to show you how it's charging, how it's charged, and everything that's inside. Yesterday we charged it one battery, the largest battery, which is right there. When you click on it, you should see that it's fully charged.
It's full. It's big battery.
And this is the smaller battery.
And this is big one.
Oh, this is the big one, the bigger one. This is full too, so they're
Good.
both fully charged. This Greenworks come with two batteries and one charger, and the machine itself. Now we're opening up here, and you see that it's closed up. We're gonna take it out. That's the box for the charger. That's the bag that takes things in the back. It has a metal in front, and it's very flexible. And right here is the Greenworks itself. So we're gonna take it out one by one. Alright, here it goes. There's the instructions manual. I don't think we're gonna need that. So here we are, the Greenworks 40-volt lithium battery powered. Has no gas whatsoever. Online it says it's a really good electric powered lawnmower. We bought it because it would have no gas, no smell, or no leaks or anything to put in there, and they said it's quiet, much quieter than a regular gas mower. Only one battery goes in there, not two. You can adjust the height by using only on the side one lever. You don't need two levers like in most lawnmowers. We're gonna set it up here. See how that all works. We're taking away the papers and factory installed stuff. It's 19 inches, so it's not the biggest, not the smallest, but right in the middle. Okay.
Has a 7 position.
Has seven positions.
Take this one.
Only one side, and you can get the height for whatever you need. You'll need to use two ways on each side. 7 positions with one handle. This is the outside, which shoots out what you cut. You can change it up by putting the bag on the back, or you can do it this way. Since it's summer and there's no leaves, you can just cut the grass and leave it on the ground. So that's how you adjust the handle right there. On each sides. Securing it and see if it stays. Okay, and right here it should be a startup button. Now first we're gonna see if the bag fits in. So you're gonna have to take out the latch right there and put in the bag, which should slide in like that and lock itself.
It's metal.
It's all made out of metal right here. These are all metal parts, except that this is plastic, which is just a little cover. The rest are metal, so it won't break easily. You put that back in, which allows the grass to go out this way instead of into the bag. So the bag fits in good. Next, we're going to put in the battery, which is 4 amperage.
4 ampere. 4 ampere.
4 amp. And it slides in like that. Locks in, closes, and we're gonna start it up on the flat surface right in front of the grass right here. We're gonna put it in position number 3, which is really simple, and you lock that back and you press the button and it should start. And nothing starts at all for some reason. The lawnmower's not starting. I don't know why. Okay, so that's how you start the lawnmower. You're supposed to press the button and then pull that back. So right now it should be cutting grass, and there it goes. It's quite quiet. It's not as loud as the gas lawnmower, and it goes through okay. So we're going to show you how it's cut. We're going to come back. And this right here is how it cut the area. If you can see that, these little line marks right here, where my shadow of the head is. We're going back. Cut the taller grass on the side out more. And it's cutting okay. It has big wheels in the back, so it's easier to turn it around. Make the 360 or 180 turn. And this right here is the grass that it cut. If you can see that. This is right here. If you can see my shadow, this is the grass that was cut, and here it comes again. So we're gonna see how long it lasts. It has a pretty clean cut, doesn't leave anything behind. Here's the larger grass that was cut right here. And there it goes. It's actually a pretty nice lawn right now looking. to the taller grass area. So watch out for the sticks. As I said, it's way easier to turn around than a regular lawnmower with smaller wheels. Goes through pretty easily.
Huh? Bye everybody.
Alright, that's the end of it. So the right here you can see to the left that it's fully cut. So he's getting the little bits of pieces done. And so right now it's working pretty well. And see you next time.